suppose. I don't know what's over that. Okay, good. I was kind of getting scared there. Can't really commit. There was a fucking plastic tub there. What the hell? Ah, yes. Whoa, what the fuck? Okay. Well, I mean, it is a 30 zone, so mate, you shouldn't really be doing that, but... you know, I don't blame you. This road really shouldn't have houses on it, I don't think. It's way too bendy. But at the same time, it's a 30 zone. It is populated. The houses were here before you were. It's tough to call it. He didn't put my life in danger, but he is kind of driving a bit sketchy for his own sake. I've just driven past this. Fuck. Yeah, I've literally just driven past this. Unless there's loads of different places with the same name, which is entirely unrealistic. I imagine these trees get clotted by buses on the daily. Speaking of buses. Samba Bus Squad! I believe that's the proper name for it. That's what it's called in Gran Turismo anyway. Anything to do with me. Nobody likes me. Nobody likes me. We're back in a dirty 30 again. A dirty 30. Riding dirty in a 30. Oh, I love how the tyres are feeling now. It's so nice. It's not very secret if there's a nuclear bunker there. How can it be signposted and be secret? That makes no fucking sense. Whoa. Well, now that they've said that, I want to go visit it. See how secret it is. What secrets does it hide? Yeah, I'm going to go visit it. I want to see what's there. In the secret nuclear bunker. My tyres are so grippy now. I'm not used to this much grip. I want to see if the hype's real. If it's actually secret. Or if it's just bait. I don't like false advertising, so I'm gonna check this out. How secret is your secret nuclear bunker? How secret is it? Oh, actually, hang on. Oh, yes. This is better than any secret nuclear bunker I could hope for. I mean, the road is full of shit, but yeah, you know what I mean. What? It just fucking ends in a 30, you mad? Again, I get fucking trolled by these 30s. I'm getting endlessly fucked by these 30s. What do you mean 30? Oh, that's what you mean 30. Okay, that's the river roading. Right. I don't think... Ooh, that's the river roading. Fuck. That's the weirdest bridge I've ever been in. Interesting. Right, well this is an interesting road. There's a tractor in the way though. Fuck. I don't see no secret nuclear bunker, which I was looking for. I didn't find it. I only went straight. I didn't turn off, did I? No, I'm pretty sure I just went straight the entire time. Stayed in the same road. So maybe it is secret. But why would they have it signposted if it's secret? I'm suspicious. This would be a great road if there was no tractor here. But that goes without saying, doesn't it? I don't want to lose the warmth in these tyres, man. They've been so grippy recently. Can you feel the oh my god, it feels so nice. Now they've got some heat in them. I feel so confident in them now. I don't feel like I could do a wheelie. Whoa, what the fuck is that? Please pull over. Why do farmers insist driving tractor? Nuclear races. What? Nuclear races? Farmers got a farm, innit? The secret nuclear bunker. The car park to the secret nuclear bunker. Not very secret. Now you lot better drive. properly. I'm getting kind of annoyed. Most of that road was shit because we were stuck behind a tractor. Yay! Sticky tires. Sticky Mickey. I always get stuck behind a car. It's annoying. But I guess that's probably keeping me alive right now. That car ahead is probably stopping me from riding too fast. I like the idea of this road. I don't like that there are so many ways onto it though. There's too many places you can get a tractor pull out on you. I also don't like the visibility. It keeps going up and down, which is, while fun, very dangerous. This guy, just hurry up please. See, look, there's no one driving the other way. But yeah, when I turn around there will be, like that. Okay, feel me there. Whew, my legs.